I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the way we get away. We stuck together, you must forever. That's why I cannot go away.
I ate. I'm so in love with this installation. I'm so in love with the installation. I even love these tiny bow ties. They're so cute. Hi my crystals. Watch me install this beautiful wig from Wiggins Hair. Let us see what we have inside this package. Okay, so first item is the hair. This is a HD lace and it is a 24-inch body wig. Can't wait to install it. Oh, we also have a scrunchie. Sana, but cute in the back. And then we have a wig band. I really like it. I think it's cute. I don't really use these, but yeah, I also have an HD wig cap. They're so cute. Guys, look at these pins. Oh my god. This is so cute. I'm gonna try to style with these. Lastly, we have an edge brush. Let us get into the installation, guys, without wasting any time. Oh my god. Oh my god, these curls. Oh my goodness. Wiggins Hair aids with this. What? I love how they're so bouncy. Oh my god, this is so cute. Let us check the lace. This is really an HD lace. Wow, this is giving I am gonna melt without giving you a hard time. This is giving I am gonna behave, okay? This is giving you don't even have to do edges. Oh, this is so cute. I love it. It also has a wig band. Very cute. Hi, nini nani. Oh my god. Look at that.
She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was down and out like last week. Tell me, where have you been? Came out of nothing, girl. Don't act like I'm your man. I'm just a fan. You don't hold ring. No. Don't hold no ring. Yeah. Good against million ass nigga with a sick ass mouth and a slick ass flow. Catch up around me, nigga ain't a plan, but I'm coming for the kitty, got my full goddamn. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right there. Do it for my niggas and the ghost right now. Niggas got killed for the boy, living dreams and they heels, and they watching for the boy right now. Goddamn, what a time, what a year. We up what them young boys feel. I kill, never be killed, that's real, no lie. You can tell it from my peers right now. Bitch, you wanna fuck me now. Bitch, you wanna love me down. Ray can't tie me down like Ray J said, but no, I'm down. Bring a nigga, show me something. Shake it like you owe me something. Push it on the pussy like a button, keep on time for still getting ready in a function. Bitches on my dick like
I didn't have to do much. I didn't put foundation. I didn't put on powder. Because it's in HD, it just blended with my skin. And I love that for myself.
This one I got you with the jabata. Me, I no get time, I did that bata. That cover my face, calling me that bata.
You cannot tell me I did not eat this installation up, because I know I did. Like, one thing about me when it comes to a clean installation, no edges, just melted, I know I eat. I don't want to lie, I really love this lace, guys. Like, I didn't even have to use any foundation or tint. It's HD. Like, it literally melted. I literally only used glamour glue. I didn't use anything else to melt it down. Imagine. Oh, I ate. Wiggins Hair. You ate, bro. Trust me.
And I'm with a bad bitch and I got in a div. Oh yeah, I'm still saying this bitch knows like